You prepared well for CPC exam and not able to take due to this COVID? There is an opportunity to take exam from your home itself, but terms and conditions apply.
In this video, we'll discuss about CPC online exam. Due to this COVID pandemic, APC decided to conduct CPC exam online, and there are some rules and regulations that should be followed.
The first one is you should have a computer. Either it may be desktop or laptop, and that should pass the minimum system requirements.
The first thing is proper internet connection. The second thing is microphone. Check whether your system supports microphone in such a way you can listen and talk to the proctor. And external webcam that should show your face, hands, keyboard and areas surrounding keyboard about 10 inches. Once you're ready with this, draft a mail to APC. Within 24 hours, you'll get a confirmation mail for your online CPC exam.
Coming to the books, you should have ICD, CPT and HIPIX books available with you. And all those books should be original books. And AAPC will allow you to use 2019 and 2020 editions for this exam. I know that it's very hard to get original books, but there is an option of rental books and you can also take from your friends. Along with the 3 coding books, you may also have a drink on your table and a whiteboard, dry erase marker and eraser. You will be required to show your clean whiteboard front and back to your proctor before and after the exam.
Now we'll see how many attempts you'll get. If you already book offline exam and want to convert to online, you will get the same 2 attempts. And if you already taken 1 attempt and looking for second one, you will get that 1 attempt. And if you are newly booking, you will get only 1 attempt instead of 2, with very less price of $474 US. In Indian rupees, we can write the CPC exam around 35,000.
If you are ready for the exam, draft a mail to AAPC and you will get a written mail. In this mail, you will get a link to check the system requirements. If you click on this, it will show a pop-up. It is My System which pass the requirements, and AAPC is conducting this exam in partnership of Examity. See here, microphone is ready, webcam is ready, and as I am using OS Mac version, and even it is also work for Windows, and browser is also ready as well as internet connection. It will take 60 seconds to check the speed of an internet. Once ready, you can take your exam. If anything shown in the red color, then your system not met the exam criteria. So, before sending a mail for scheduling the exam, please check your minimum system requirements.
For example, once APC schedule your exam and you're not able to attend or system requirements not met means, they will cancel the exam and you will be levied with $30 US fine. And once you pay that, again they'll reschedule the exam. This will be called as no-show policy. Now we'll see the time pattern for this online exam. So many of you thinking that how to sit in one stretch for 5 hours and 40 minutes in front of system. And sometimes we'll have a net connection issues also will be there. By keeping all these things in mind, APC has scheduled this exam into 2 parts. The first part is for 2 hours and 45 minutes and second part on the same 2 hours and 45 minutes. We can take the second part on the same day or else we can take on different day also.
Now, you will get a doubt like, if you completed your first part in 2 hours, and can you carry forward that 45 minutes to the next part? No, it's not possible. Once you submitted the exam in one part means you can't change it. If you want, you can skip the questions, you can move back and fro in that specific part. But you can't carry forward the rest of time to the next part.
While writing this exam, there is no way for cheating. Don't think that no one is observing you. This APC exam is designed in a very effective artificial intelligence model. And if you found anyone is cheating, the APC won't allow you to sit for any of the exam in future, as one proctor will closely monitor only 2 candidates, so there is no way for cheating or not.
Coming for the results. As this is the first time AAPC conducting online exam, it will take 5 business days to get the results.
And this option is available worldwide, so you can take exam from anywhere.
AAPC will decide to continue this online exam after COVID crisis. As this is the first time they are conducting online, they will work on results and success. Then only they will think to forward it.
So many of you are thinking to go with online or not, right? Here we will see the pros and cons of CPC online exam. Coming for pros, you can take this examination from home itself without traveling anywhere. And the next, examination fee. Normally if you want to write offline, you have to spend around 50,000. But with online, you can clear with 35,000 itself. And coming for the cons, you'll have only one attempt. If you're really prepared well, you can do it. Otherwise, you have to spend extra $299 for the second attempt. And the next, books. Mostly it's very hard to get original books, but we can get through rentals or from your friends.
Finally, this is a good decision that AAPC come up with the online exam, because so many people are prepared for exam and due to transport issues they are not able to take their exam, and this is the right time to get your CPC credential from your home itself. Clear your CPC exam within 7 days in your first attempt with ThoughtFlows training. According to your requirement, we also have 10 days, 15 days and 30 days of training. Our innovative modules makes your CPC exam easy with complete knowledge. We also have an online practice exam which will give instant results that makes your final online exam easy. Please subscribe to our channel to get more and more updates on medical coding. Do follow us on Facebook, Insta, Twitter also. And thank you. Bye bye. We'll meet in our next session.